Yes, I finally got this piece of shit working. It's actually not shit, it's actually pretty nice, but California. Yeah, you're not the only one that can call people by their state. I can do it too. Anyway, Shane, as in California, as in Shane. This video's for you. I've owed you videos in the past, and I actually never got around to making them. But I'm finally gonna make you this video, and yeah, and I hope that I actually get my message through to you that you are my best friend and that I love you to death. Okay, MySpace. Shane is the real definition of a true best friend. She's been there for me through everything that I've been through lately. You know, I didn't even know her, and she had added me, and, you know, I was down one day, and she came by, and she just, from that day on, she was willing to listen to me through anything that I needed to, you know, get off my chest and talk about. And from that day on, she has never let me down. She's the one that picks me up when I've fallen, and I couldn't be more fortunate to have her in my life. And anyone else who has this amazing girl in their life, as well as I do, should know that she's a keeper. Whether it's a friend or, you know, as a girlfriend, whatever, she's someone that you're going to want to keep around. And I know that Shane is someone that I want in my life until the day I die. And I hope that she is. Even if I just meet her one time. I haven't even met her yet. She lives 800 bazillion, I don't even know, miles away from me on the West Coast in a town called, like, El Centro or some shit. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I'm kind of guessing that looks how it'd be pronounced, but, you know, I've never even met her, and she's proved to me that she's just reliable. She just knows, you know, how to get me by when I've had the worst day. And she's been there for more times than even my really good friends out here in Oklahoma or Chicago or whatever. And she's proved herself to me to be someone that I know that I could always count on. And, you know, I'll always have my faith in that girl, that she'll always be there from now until, you know, I die. And I couldn't be more thankful for her. She's beautiful, and she's amazingly smart. She's so creative and has this killer personality. She's so funny, and, you know, and I hope to one day to be able to fly over to El Centro and be able to kick it with her, even if it was just for a few days. Like, I would love to spend a few days with her, even if it was the only time that I'd ever met her. Just that few days with her would make my life. You know, we'd have a blast, and just, like, I can already see that El Centro's not even gonna be able to handle it. It'd be like, holy shit, dude, where do these fucking assholes come from? I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna Shane on MySpace, and yeah, you know, whatever. But, yeah, Shane's just Shane. You know, no one can really compare to her, like, as a friend. Like, Shane has never stabbed me in the back, not one time. And, you know, I think maybe a couple times we've had our kind of ups, you know, we've had our somewhat, I mean, it's usually always ups, but we had a couple downs, you know, and it's kind of like, well, you know, but it was never like, hey, I'm going to stay mad at you for days and not talk to you, you know. It was maybe just a kind of aggravated with each other sort of thing, and just be like, yo, I'm signing off, and get off, and then that's it. You know, the next thing we're like, hey, yeah, you know, sorry, blah, 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 and we're okay. And I would do anything for this girl. Like, I'd take a bullet for her. I'd die for her. I'd give my life for her. I'd give it twice for her. She deserves so much in life. She deserves to be successful. She deserves to be super happy. She deserves to have a girl that's going to treat her like gold. And and I hope that she does find this girl, and I hope that, whatever dreams that she may have, that they be fulfilled, and, and I just hope the best for her and nothing but the best. And, like I said, if something should happen to Shane, my whole world would come crashing down. Like, I wouldn't even know what to do, because Shane's one of the only few people that I could actually talk to about my problems. Like, I could rant about the same thing over and over again 100 times in a day, and she'll still be there. And she'll always help me out, and she always supports my decisions. And then if what I think that is going good, if it falls through and I break down, Shane's like the one that I'm always going to go to, and it's always going to be like that for as long as I have this girl in my life. And, I can only hope that I will have her in my life forever. She has a special place in my heart that no one will ever be able to take from her. And, and she's going to remain there. And I just don't know what I'd do without her. Shane, thank you for everything that you've done, and I love you, and I owe you my life, pretty much. And just know that I'll always be there for you, like you are there for me. Even if I can't, help you to the fullest, I'll always try my best. I love you, my BFF.